Berry bowl for mom, boob for baby. Everybody's happy. Hey you guys, Erin here at Eat, Move, Rest, and welcome back, or if it's your first time to our channel, then welcome. So today I'm going to be sharing with you a quick and simple, delicious recipe that will help with your milk supply. It can either help maintain and or possibly boost your milk supply. I can vouch for both. It has done wonders for me. I'm currently breastfeeding as we speak, hashtag mom life. But needless to say, you guys are gonna love this recipe. It is my apple pie steel cut oats. I do make them in my pressure cooker, so if you have an Instant Pot, give it a whirl. If not, they work just as well on the stove top, but I'm gonna show you how I do it in a pressure cooker in 4 minutes flat. And all of that being said, if you guys are into these types of vegan breastfeeding mom videos, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on notifications if you haven't already. And leave me some love in the comments below. Let me know what you thought. Maybe let me know what kind of foods you're incorporating to boost your milk supply. And let's get a little community conversation going down below. Let's hear about your birth story, about your pregnancy journey, share it all. I'm here to listen to you guys, read your comments. I read them all. I love getting questions, so let's get going. Okay, so it's time for my late afternoon snack, and I'm going to be making some apple pie steel cut oats. These are certified gluten-free Bob's Red Mill, also USDA organic. I prefer steel cut over rolled because they're just less processed. You won't spike your blood sugar as much, more fiber, and they're super high in iron, which is great. And they're also supposed to be great for breastfeeding. They are what's called a galactagogue. They're supposed to help increase milk supply. So I'm also going to be adding in 2 large Honeycrisp apples. I'm just slicing them and dicing them. And then what I've got here, this is my pressure cooker. This is not the Instant Pot, but very similar. I put it on all the way as high as the pressure goes, and I put it on timer for 4 minutes, and I let it naturally release. So in here, I have 2 cups of the Bob's Red Mill steel cut oats and 5.5 cups of water. Also putting in just a crack of pink Himalayan salt. Adding in those 2 diced apples and gonna let it do its thing. Then afterwards, what I do, well, while it's cooking, I'll take maybe about 7 or 8 dates. I will pit them, and then I soak them in water, and I also add these dates after the fact with the soaked water into the finished oat. And then I'll also add in some vanilla bean powder and cinnamon as well. So then after all is said and done, I'm going to put the soaked pitted dates in with their water, vanilla bean powder, and this Ceylon cinnamon. I recommend you get this kind. It's a lot healthier and safer for your body. This is organic, found it on Amazon. It is linked below, as is the vanilla bean powder. Looks pretty tasty, huh? You guys are gonna love this recipe. Like I said in the beginning, give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, if you wanna see more like it, if you wanna see more what I eat in a days, maybe how I'm working out postpartum, maybe even a diastasis recti abs video. I've been thinking about putting one of those together. If you're interested, let me know in the comments below. And as always, eat, move, rest, your best. Bye guys.